signals when to buy and sell, then you're in the wrong place. But if you're looking for someone who's going to teach you about these markets, then absolutely you're in the right place. Also guys, we're not financial advisors, so any risk that you take upon yourself. Don't be risking more than 0.5 or 1% of your capital at any given point with any given trade. That being said, I hope you all can see my charts. Look at DAX, it's already starting to play out. This is the next candle, which is the retest. Okay, now they're rejecting and they're trying to fall down. So if anyone likes to trade DAX, which I know a lot of people do for London, this is your chance. Okay, they're trying to fill the gap, just be careful. Look at this. I have only done GBP USD for you guys today, not EU or gold. Gold was not moving at all anyway. That's why all these charts for you. And if we want to move up, let's try to catch about these many pips. Okay, till here, absolutely perfect. Okay, that's it. Putting alerts, and I'm going to be watching indices. Okay, is anyone in on anything? We have about 13 minutes to market open. I'm not in on anything. I'm not trading anything at this point. Be careful with DAX. Okay, we're catching support from the gap on the left, if you all can see that. And instead of US 30, I've done NASDAQ for you guys. Okay, we're catching support from the gap. We're catching buyers from the gap that is there on the left. Guys, if you want to start buying into the supply from 15-minute resistance, you can do that as well, because this area that you see 15-minute resistance, there are a lot of sellers sitting over here, strong supply zones. So if we break that, we can start putting our smaller positions from 15-minute resistance to our supply zone, and obviously the break of our supply zone and retest and rejection above the daily will be a bigger lots. Okay, with that being said, I'm going to go to the chat. And good morning Zero. I guess your name is not Lenovo ThinkPad, but good morning Sora. Can you not hear me, Neha? Hi Gamesky NFT, good morning. Like I told you all, they're catching support from this area, which also happens to be the gap, so be careful. Okay, let's look at the RSI. Okay, we're catching support from the 50 on the RSI. We break that, we're falling down. Okay, we could fall down to here if we break this area. Let's see guys, I'm not in on anything. Let's look at the RSI over here. Okay, again we're around the 50s. Let's look at GU. Okay, seems like we want to push up, but we've already been overbought, so maybe we'll go to the 70 and get rejected and fall down further. Okay, I've not done gold, Shijo, because gold was not giving any moves. So yeah, no gold. For gold, you all have to wait for New York. Okay, for London, we're not getting enough momentum for gold. Gold is not moving well. Yeah, gold is pointless on London. Absolutely right, Shijo. You know, sometimes we do get volume on gold, but that's only sometimes, right? But we know that indices for sure, something like DAX and something like GBP USD is going to give us moves irrespective of the fact that if there's no volume, or if there is volume, we're going to get moves on DAX and on GBP. So that's why I've charted these two for you. Look at this. I'm not in on anything at this point. Let's look at our favorite thing, Forex Scalper Pro, and see what's happening right now. Okay, so now if we, okay, everything is around 50s. GU might go up and get rejected and fall down, because if we look at the higher time frames, we are at 50. Okay, on the hourly and on the 4 hours we're on the 47. On the daily we are at 44. So chances are we could push up also and get a move towards, just give me a second guys. Okay, let's do this. Is anyone in on anything? Are you all trading anything? we have CPI for EUR in another hour and 9 minutes. Maybe that's the reason why this is happening. And also we have a lot of red folders that are opening up for USD today. Lots and lots of red folders. CPI as well. New York is going to be a banger of a session. It's going to be really, really good, quick. And if anyone is new over here and you all have not attended New York, today is the day that you all should. Okay. CramFX absolutely nails his sessions. He's amazing. He's my guru. He's my teacher. He's taught me everything, whatever that I know about these markets. And he's teaching all of us. And every day, every single day, I'm learning from him. I'm learning from these markets, and I'm learning from you guys as well. Okay. So don't miss that session. He is the best at what he does. Yes, EUR news after an hour and 9 minutes. Okay, say about when the next hourly momentum opens up after this one, after market open, that is when. So the moves, if they don't happen right now, they might happen with the news. Okay, and also it happens to be the hourly momentum also is going to open up around that time, so maybe that's why we'll see a lot of liquidity then. I'm not in on anything, guys. How was London for you guys yesterday? Did anyone trade London yesterday? Be sure you're waiting for CPI. You're in on buy on GBP USD future. Okay. But you need to see that maybe we're trying to form a double top. And if we do that, we're going to fall. Chances are we could push C. We're getting rejected. We had made a smaller... Okay. Said it too early, I think. Let's wait, guys. We don't have to rush into anything. Chances are it could be choppy. Why? Because we have so many red folders opening up throughout the day. So let's wait and relax. We don't have to get in on with big lots. We can enter in with smaller lots and preserve our capital. Because what is the number one goal in these markets? One-on-ones. What am I talking about? What do we have to do? What is the first rule of trading in trading these markets? What is the first rule of trading these markets? Can anyone tell me that? Save our capital, Saurabh? Absolutely right. Protecting our capital, keeping our capital safe. Yes, risk management is something that is going to help you keep your capital safe. This is one of the tools that we use. Lucky and Vishu, you both are absolutely right, but these are the tools that we use to keep our capital safe. Okay? But this is not the primary goal. If you're out of capital, you're out of market. Yes, and that's where the risk management and money management comes in. Like I told you all, we'll catch support from this area, and that's exactly what we're trying to do. I'm not in on anything, guys, not even a small feeler, because I don't see any clear moves that are happening right now or breakup structure that's happening right now. So I'm just going to wait. I'm just going to wait and watch. I don't want to rush into anything at this point. So let's see, guys. Okay, now if you want to start layering your positions for buys from 15-minute resistance, you can do that, but only and only smaller positions, because you need to realize that the supply zone is sitting over here at the daily resistance. And for London, because there is not much liquidity in these markets for London, it becomes hard to break daily. Okay, we tried to break our daily support over here. We tried to fill the gap. That's exactly what we did. We filled the gap, and now we're catching buyers from here. Okay, 5 minutes to market open. Absolutely right, Saurabh. 5 minutes to market open. Let's see what we're going to get. It looks everything. Like GU also looks really choppy to me at this point. See? Maybe I should have done EU instead of GU. But I know so many people trade GU, and not a lot of people trade. And also, if you look at it, guys, GU and EU sort of move similarly. Not always, but like maybe 50% of the times. So yeah, because there's a gap over here that catching buyers. Okay, these are the things that you all need to understand on your own as well. Of course, I'm here to teach you guys everything. Of course, I'm here to tell you and inform you guys what's happening in these markets. But these are the things that you need to spot. And again, the more you sit on the London session, the more you'll realize how these gap ups and gap downs they work, and how they try to fill it. Okay, that's great trade. You should trade. EU is a very good and safe instrument to trade. EU respects breakup structure and analysis and top down and everything, unlike gold. And same thing with GU. GU and EU, best instruments to trade. I'm not gonna lie. If you want to trade forex pairs, don't trade anything else. Don't trade USD CAD. Don't trade GBP JPY. Nothing. Just maybe focus on EU and GU, and it will be amazing for you guys. Both of these instruments I've traded, but it's just that they're very slow, and they don't give those many pips, and we have to wait for that long. But then again, if your risk management is in place, I like my trades to I give my trades breathing room. Okay, some room to breathe. Okay, Nasdaq is doing something. Okay, trying to go up. If I'm not taking these buys, okay, I'm not going to take these buys. But if you want to, you can start layering your smaller positions. But seeing the supply over here, okay, I'm not going to. Okay, but again, I like my trades to breathe. I want to give my trades a little more room to breathe, so that's why I stopped trading GU and EU. Sometimes I trade GU, but EU not really, because it's really slow and it doesn't move that much. That's why I love indices. It gives me 40-50 pips that I want to take from these markets. I let my feelers and my smaller position on my Corollas run. I don't close them, so they run and they give me maybe sometimes 0.5% or 0.7, 0.4%, whatever that I get out of it, and I close my Lambos quickly. But I like my trades to breathe, so indices are the best for that. GU is also doing this. Ooh, look at that. This is an impulse on GU. We're trying to break 70, but you all need to realize that there is divergence on GU. What kind of divergence is this? Can anyone tell me that one-on-ones before market open? Who's going to tell me what kind of divergence is this? Absolutely right. Kion 0. Yes, this is bearish divergence. Price action is telling us that it's going to move up. The strength on the RSI is showing that they're going to go down. Yes, sort of. Absolutely right. This is amazing. We all are learning together. Love it. And I'm really proud. Ooh, look at this. If they break this, they're going down. Let's see. This is just before market open, guys, so you need to ask yourself, do you want to trade this or you want to wait for the momentum? You want to wait for the first 5 minutes of market open and then enter in. You have to ask yourself this question. Okay, see the rejection, impulse, only an impulse at this point. We have about 50 seconds. The last 30 seconds for the 5-minuters are the ones that decide the kind of momentum that we're going to get for the next candle. Okay, what are we looking at? What do you all want? Indices or you all want GU? Quickly tell me, guys. We don't have that much time. 15 seconds we have. What do we want to see? We want to see indices or we want to see indices? Okay, we'll keep it on indices. Ooh, look at that. Was anyone in on DAX? Wow. Wow, guys. Just look at GU also maybe once. Okay. Okay, I went in a small feeler. That's it. Testing it out. DAX, small feeler. Nothing else. I'm not looking to take too many pips or put bigger positions for London today. Okay, why? Red folders opening up. Simple explanation. Very, very simple explanation. So I'm really. Is anyone in on anything? Okay, we're catching support from this area. DAX is being really, really weird today. Nasdaq is not doing anything. GBP USD again stuck in this area. Okay, let's see. Look at GJ. I don't do GJ. Lenovo ThinkPad T460. I don't do GJ. I'm not gonna look at GJ. Let's focus on what we have in front of us, guys. Okay, let's do that. To start buying, you can start buying from the demand zone as well. Is anyone trading GU? Look at this impulse. Okay. Is anyone trading GU? Non-demo. You're in on GU. It's good. Okay, that impulse moving up. It's good. It's amazing. Okay, we're pushing on GU. Can I enter now? No. Can't enter right now. Zoom user. You need to wait.
It's up to you where to enter.
Yeah, if you feel like at your own risk, you can enter. Okay? But like I always say, don't be buying the top. We hit our TP on GU. So if anyone was trading GU, congratulations to you guys. I'm going to go to the left. We fill this wick. Wow, we're pushing up, guys. Okay, GU 80.72. We're overbought over here. We're trying to break it on the 15 minutes. Give me a second, guys. Okay. Nasdaq trying, right? But strong supply zone sitting over here. Nasdaq trying though. Really. Okay, seems like we're pushing impulsively into our supply zone for Nasdaq right now. We need to break this daily. We open up within our supply zone, and it's frozen. Let's get GU. Wow, GU is just pushing. Well, something is happening.
DAX.
DAX is doing something. Okay, we're pushing up on DAX as well. Buys from this area from 15 minutes, you can do that. Okay, we're making something. Are we trying to make any pattern, guys, over here? Are we? One-on-ones? You could get rejected also from supply, make another something. Okay. Are you sure, Zero? Are you sure this is a double bottom? Okay. Getting rejected on. Ooh, GU is pushing. Oh my god. Wow. Should have traded GU, right? Wow. We're just pushing on GU. Amazing. Pushing on GU. Okay. Everything is trying to go overbought on GU. I think we still have room for GU to push up. Okay. Ooh, Nasdaq and German 30, both of them trying to fly, guys. Both of them. Okay, like I told you all, 15-minute resistance. If you want to start buying and start layering your position, smaller position, you can do that. Oh, bad rejection. Very bad rejection right now. Okay. Ooh, that's a very, very bad rejection on GU. Nasdaq trying, DAX trying, both of them they're trying right now. Okay. Nasdaq pushing, guys. Nasdaq impulse. Wow. It's just an impulse at this point. Okay. Gold we do for New York. We don't do gold for London. Sometimes we do.
Nasdaq impulse.
Get Nasdaq. I already told them this is just an impulse.
Essential path.
No, let be. Waiting for close on Nas. Are you asking me if I'm waiting? Yeah, I'm seeing GU as well. I still feel GU can push up. Not gonna lie. But then yeah, again, I don't control these markets. Guys, we're going to make another shoulder for
Potential.
could be a potential. Okay. Watching indices closely. Asking because you're a NASCAR. You know, for London, I find that's better. But yeah, I love Nasdaq. I have a special soft corner for Nasdaq. Ooh, look at that! We're pushing on Nasdaq. Yes. Come on, Nasty, push, push. German 30 is pushing too, guys. Come on, come on, you can do this. Nasdaq, push. Okay, we're trying both on German 30 and Nasdaq. Okay, we're pushing. Is anyone in on Nasdaq or on DAX? Because I realize so many people over here, they like to trade DAX. I told you all, if you want to start buying from demand, smaller position, and then from 15 you could have done that. If you did that, then Congratulations, guys. You must be running right now. Okay. I'm in on Nasdaq, in on DAX, in on Nasdaq. Should have traded DAX. Yeah, every London session should have traded Nasdaq, I feel. Yeah? Come on, push Nasdaq. Come on, push. Let's see, guys. Come on. Push, 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 push. Okay, we don't have that much momentum, guys. That's why all of this is happening. But we can push up. In on Nasdaq. That's good. It's amazing. Let's see. Push, let's snake Nas give birth. Nasdaq just had like 4 or 5 babies, I think. Nasdaq, who is running on Nasdaq with me? Let's catch it, guys. Push, man. What is happening with DAX? DAX is being a little weird today. Let's look at GU also, guys. Okay, GU is trying to push up. We're trying. On GU. I hope you all realized your profits. On Nasdaq, and left a small position running like Forrest Gump. That's how these markets should run. Okay. Wow, this is a solid rejection. But we hit our TP though, guys. 15 pips, we hit our TP for the buys. Ooh, look at this rejection, dirty. It's a dirty rejection on DAX. DAX was not the one today, guys. Y'all should have traded either GU, look at GU, or Nasdaq. Getting rejected as well. Gonna wait for the next 15-minute momentum and see what they're going to do. The last, how many seconds are left? 10 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's see what they're gonna do now. Okay. Yeah, we still could go up and fill this wick on DAX and then, you know, break it and push further. Hit GU. Hmm? Babe.
क्या message है?
Okay. 17 pips, guys. GU was the move today. It's crazy. I find the mentality when I trade from demo to my funded. Definitely been avoiding London because of me not being used to the volume, but now I'm going to be using London on impulses on the demo, see how they play out and get used to the market's movement. Great session, got 0.5 on GU and on NAS. Congratulations, you said it really well. On London, it's easier to catch impulses, okay? But just give your trades more room to breathe. Like I told you all, we could go up and fill this wick, and if we get enough momentum, we're going to push up and break. Oh God, look at GU, guys. I was in on GU as well, and I just removed my position, and now I feel really bad about it. Like really bad. I'm upset, but now I'm not going to get in on this. I actually caught the move from here, from here till here, somewhere around here. Then this region I entered over here, and I missed this whole freaking move. Does it hurt? Yes, it does. It hurts like a whatever. It's fine. I'm not gonna look at it. GU was the move. NAS went to bed again. Nasty running. Oh God. GU was the move, guys. I mean, ooh, everything is moving, guys. Look at that. Wow, we're running, guys. We're running. Congratulations to everyone who's banking. I want success stories. I know that market open was a little choppy, but after 15 minutes, like I told you all, if you wait 5, 10, 15 minutes after market open, you're going to catch these kind of moves, and that's exactly what's happening. Nasdaq, oh sorry, German 30 is flying. Flying. GU2, this is about 26 pip move on GU, which is amazing, okay? Amazing on GU. Nasdaq 2, 20 pips. Now if you move from here, where could we go? We go to here. Okay, that's it, guys. I am done trading. If I look at GU more or only GU, it's going to hurt me because I caught some pips on Nasdaq and I closed my Nasdaq. Then I caught some pips on GU. I was in on GU with my Corolla, and I removed it. And as soon as I removed my position after 10 seconds, it started to move. So the more I look at it, it's gonna hurt me. I don't want to get into anything right now. I made what I had to make. I wasn't expecting these kind of moves, but fortunately, I got the moves that I wanted to catch for London, and I am done. Please go ahead and put your profits on success stories, guys. Please go ahead and do that. I would really appreciate it. And for one-on-ones, guys, if anyone is new here and you want to learn how we trade these markets and how we find these zones to make you all profitable and catch our moves, then join one-on-ones. I have taken about maybe 1,000 one-on-ones, maybe 500,000 one-on-ones by now, and they're absolutely worth it. So if anyone is new over here and they want to learn and join our one-on-one mentorship program, please go ahead and message me on Discord, and I will take care of that. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for being here. If you all are trading, then be careful and wait for the next early momentum, because that's when the news is going to come out for EU or CPI. So be extremely careful if you're trading by yourselves, but you all shouldn't be, because we caught moves that we wanted to catch. Everything is gave us the buys. Look at this, look at this, and look at this. Amazing, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. Congratulations to everyone who made money, made pips on this session, or if nothing, we learned a lot today. Patience is the key, guys. This is what we did for market open. It was really choppy, but we waited and we made our pips. Patience, consistency, and discipline. These three things, if you've got as a trader, nothing can stop you from making money in these markets. With that being said, thank you so much, guys. I'm going to see you all for the red folders today for New York. It was an absolutely banger of a session. Please go ahead and put it on success stories. Bye, guys. Have a good day, evening, night, whatever you all are, and I will see you all very, very soon. Bye, guys.